Good morning, children. This is class 4 English literature. Children, this is first chapter, A Noble Dog. We have already done this chapter, and today in this video we are going to do some more work from the exercise. As you all know that we are going to do the revision and preparation for the first unit examination. So I'm taking this work. This is very interesting. Okay, you can see this work on page number 14 of your English literature book. It is given in the exercise of chapter number 1. Alright, page number 14. Okay, now this work we are going to do way with words. Second number B, unjumble the letters to make meaningful words. Here 5 words are given in the list. Alright, and the letters of the words are jumbled, means उल्टा पुल्टा है. We have to recognize them, पहचानना है उनको कि क्या word है actually, and we have to write the correct word with the same letters. Okay, in number 1 this is LGUY, but the correct word is UGLY, ugly. Okay, then the second one, jumbled word. Second jumbled word is GRSOTN. The correct word will be STRONG. Okay, this is a perfect word with a meaning. Okay, now the third word is OGUNY. This is the word is in the jumbled way, so the correct word will be YOUNG, young. Okay, now number 4, THLGI. This is jumbled and the correct word is LIGHT. This is the right word. And the last one, TFRGOE. This is no word, meaningless word, because it is the letters are jumbled, and the correct word is forget, FORGET, forget. Okay, so these are the words. Children, you may get this work in the examination, so learn it, learn the spellings: ugly, strong, young, light, and forget. Okay, now we will do some work from chapter number 2, Little Tiger Cat. We have studied and completed this poem in the previous videos. So in the exercise work we are going to do some more work on page number 19. Page number 19. Okay, this is all. We have already done question and answers, word meaning, question and answers, and reference to context. So today we are going to do some more work on page number 19. This is very interesting work. This one, A, complete the sentences describing cats with the following words. Now we will get 5 lines with 5 blank spaces, and here all the lines are related with the cat. Okay, now we will start from number 1. Number 1, cats can move without making any. We will take the word from here, noise. This is the appropriate word. Now the second one, all cats eat meat, so they are called carnivorous animals. Carnivorous means the animals who eat flesh. Okay, वो जानवर जो सिर्फ दूसरे जानवरों का मीट खाते हो, मांस खाते हो, they are called carnivorous. So the cat is carnivorous. You know that cat likes to eat rat, so it is carnivorous animal. Okay, now number 3, cats can run, and this word will be climb. From here, climb trees. ठीक है, cats run कर दौड़ भी सकती हैं और वो पेड़ पे भी चढ़ सकती हैं. This is the meaning of this line. Number 4, Cats can see well in dim light. Full stop. They have great night vision. So what night is taken from here. They have a great night vision. What does it mean? You know, children, this is very interesting thing that dogs and cats, especially dogs also, they can see in the night. They can see everything in the darkness. We human beings cannot see. We cannot locate, we cannot see anything properly if there is darkness. It is night time. But dogs and cats, they all can see nicely. They have a night vision. They can see all the things, all the objects very nicely and properly in the night time also. So cats can see well in dim light. They have great night vision. dim light में भी देख लेते हैं और darkness में भी देख लेते हैं, एकदम टोटल अंधेरे में भी देखते हैं. ठीक है, नाइट विजन उसको कहते हैं. नाउ मतलब रात में देखने की शक्ति उनके पास है, विजन है नाइट में. नाउ नंबर 5, cats have sharp claws. Here the word will be claws. It is taken from here, and I will tell you the meaning of this. They are used to that are used when they want to attack someone. Claw mean पंजा. ठीक है, उनका पंजा होता है. स्पेशली जब वो when they want to attack, तो उस समय वो नाखूनों को भी अपने आगे कर लेती हैं. इस तरह से वो claw means पंजा, पंजे से अटैक करती है नाखूनों को आगे करके, जिससे कि जो जिसको भी अटैक कर रही है वो इंजर्ड हो जाए. ठीक है, claw means पंजा, पंजे. Okay, you must know the meaning also. I told you. Noise, then carnivorous, climb, night and claws. ठीक है. Now one more work we will do. This is also very interesting work, children. This is B on the same page, page number 19. We have done A and then B. Now we are going to do complete these word pairs. The first one is done for you. Now here they have given one example. Doctor is to hospital as teacher is to school. Here they have told the relationship between two things or two persons or two objects, I want to say. So doctor is related to hospital and the teacher is to school. In the same way, the teacher, workplace of the teacher is a school, workplace of the doctor is a hospital. It is same. Okay. Here one example is given, but we are adding this line also, so remember it. Now the second one, pen is to author as brush is to painter. What is the meaning of this? The author who is going to write something takes pen in his or her hand. Okay, and in the same way the painter takes brush in his hand to paint something. Okay, तो ब्रश और पेंट का कॉम्बिनेशन है, पेन और ऑथर का है, तो ब्रश और पेंटर का है. ठीक है. देन द थर्ड वन, कोम इज़ टू हेयर एज टूथ ब्रश इज़ टू टीथ. अब यहाँ भी कोम और हेयर का कॉम्बिनेशन है. इन द सेम वे टूथ ब्रश इज़ टू टीथ. ठीक है, कोम और बालों के संग, कोम मीन्स कंघी और हेयर यू नो बाल, सिर के बाल, तो टूथब्रश के साथ टीथ. ओके, दिस इज द कॉम्बिनेशन and pair we can say. Now number 4, egg is to chicken as milk is to cow. You know that chicken is produced by the egg, so the milk is produced by the cow. Cow and milk are related and chicken and egg are related. Okay, this is the second pair. Now the last one, dog is to kennel. Kennel, KENNEL. Kennel is the place where dogs are kept. ठीक है, kennel उसको बोलते हैं जहाँ पे कुत्तों को, जैसे किसी के पास बहुत ज़्यादा कुत्ते पले हुए हैं, more than one, तो that place where all the dogs are kept, that place is called kennel. KENNEL, kennel. ठीक है. As horse is to stable. Stable वो जगह होती है जहाँ पे कई सारे घोड़े बांधे जाते हैं, रखे जाते हैं. ठीक है, उसको हिंदी में बोलते हैं अस्तबल. घोड़े जैसे कई जगह, एक जगह पे पले हुए हैं, ढेर से पाले गए हैं, तो जहाँ पे वो सब इकट्ठे रहेंगे, बांधे जाएंगे, दैट प्लेस इज़ कॉल्ड स्टेबल. ओके, हिंदी में उसको बोलते हैं अस्तबल. वहाँ घोड़े खड़े रहते हैं, सब बारी बारी, उनके लिए स्पेस बना रहता है, वो अपने अपने स्पेस में रहते हैं, वो बंधे रहते हैं रस्सी से. So that there is a relationship between the dog and kennel. Dog lives in the kennel, and in the same way the horse lives or stays in the stable. Okay, so I hope children you have understood, and you will just study it properly and keep this thing in your mind, this work, so that when you get it in the examination you should be able to write it nicely and in a correct way. Okay, so understand this work. Okay, so this is the last work of the chapter number 2. You all know children that we are including first and second chapter for first unit examination. So whatever work we have done, I have explained you, I have given you exercise work. Just prepare that for the examination and do it nicely. Okay, in the next video we will start third chapter. So this is the end of the second chapter. Okay, thank you.